Hey, Kat,
Yeah.
we're doing Know Your Numbers. You ready?
Oh god. Okay. Yeah.
Quarterly revenue to date.
77,000.
How many SKUs?
5.
Kat?
0 basically, because all of our customers come from social media. So whatever it costs for whatever my time is worth to make content, basically.
Profit margin?
Gross or net?
Gross.
Percent.
Inventory on hand?
0 right now, but we're finishing mass production, and we'll have our first 4,000 units here in our warehouse. ETA is December 9th, as long as the government actually reopens, so we can get our FCC certification and ID number.
All right, that's it. You passed.
Okay, great, thanks.